The whole display has been designed separately into two pieces. Yes, it is a collapsible sunglasses display. Now I'll show you how to install it. It is quite easy. The first step is to place the bottom piece, stand it up by the holding panel. The second step is to insert the topper piece onto the stand. We have to push a little hard to make sure the display is well installed without gap on the surface.
The reason why we make it collapsible is that our client would need to make delivery of this mirror acrylic sunglasses display in the US to their distributors. They plan to ship the eyewear display stand along with the sunglasses. If the display is not folding, it would be difficult to make sure its status during the logistics. Besides, the collapsible design makes it possible to save more delivery cost for our client. In addition, this sunglasses display can be placed on any countertop of your store. The mirror surface of it allows your client to try up your products very conveniently, and makes you free from worrying about breaking it. The premium collapsible design makes it very easy to install too. Chinov has been manufacturing custom acrylic displays for years. We have a very experienced engineering team to design your visual merchandising displays. Please do contact us by email to info@acrylicdisplays.net or check our website shows us below to know more about us. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.